Welcome to MasterCare Plus. In this video, we will walk you through the admin configuration of the system. This area is typically managed by super users, those with elevated access who are responsible for overseeing configuration and system administration. Super users have the ability to turn features on or off, manage user access, create teams, and tailor the platform to suit the structure of your organization. Let's start with how to access the admin configuration. From the main screen, simply click the profile icon in the top right-hand corner. Then select Admin Configuration. This takes you into the configuration section of MasterCare Plus. Here on the dashboard, you'll find a range of setup options. You'll also see quick links to help guides should you need additional support. One of the first areas to explore is the Widgets section. Widgets refer to the tiles and modules displayed on the home dashboard, offering quick access to key information and features. Super users can rearrange these widgets, turn them on or off, or publish and unpublish, to customize the layout for different user roles. This ensures users see only what's relevant when they log in, helping streamline their workflow. Next, let's look at users and teams. This section allows you to manage all users in the system and organize them into teams and sub-teams. Teams can represent different services, programs, locations, or even clinical disciplines within your organization. MasterCare Plus is structured around a team hierarchy, which means users only see the clients, clinical documents, appointments, and referrals assigned to their team. This keeps data segmented and ensures each team works independently, even when sharing a single system. When you add a sub-team, you'll give it a name, choose a discipline, add an address, and contact information. Add a logo, registration authority number, and healthcare identifier services. You can also configure appointment reminder settings, set referral durations, and even assign a unique referral net ID, which ensures inbound referrals route to the correct inbox and don't get mixed up with other teams. Under the Users section, you'll see actions such as edit, invite, or disable, resend invite, or reset password and unlock. You'll also see each user marked with a colored tick. Green means the user is active. Gray means they are inactive. Red means the user has received an invitation but hasn't yet completed account setup. To create a new user, click on Add a new user. Then simply fill in their details. Assign them one or more roles. And add them to the appropriate team. You can also toggle whether notifications are enabled. And if relevant, enter their e-prescribing credentials. Let's now move to roles and permissions. MasterCare Plus comes with 4 out-of-the-box roles, but you can also create your own custom roles. These roles define what a user can or can't do in the system. Under each role, you'll see a list of permissions that can be toggled on or off, allowing you to tailor access based on the responsibilities associated with that role. To add a new role, click Add Role, then enter the role name and a brief description. Next, toggle the appropriate permissions to match the role's responsibilities. Once you're finished, click Save and Exit to apply the changes. Overall, the admin configuration of MasterCare Plus is powerful, flexible, and easy to manage. It gives your organization control over access, aligns the system with your services, and supports frontline users while maintaining oversight. Thanks for watching. For more details on specific configuration tasks, check out our other admin-focused videos.